Oh boy, that is a big old box. Do you see this big old box? Oh, don't look at that for right now. Okay, actually, you can look at it there. We got something really exciting inside there from our friends at KODIAK. We're going to open that up later. Right now, we got the Lances there. Old Traverse. Actually, pretty new Traverse. What, 2014, 2016? It doesn't matter.
15, maybe?
Yeah, whatever year it is. We're going to get in that, take a little trip to the big old city of Harrisburg, and pick up some more stuff for the Whistling diesel truck. We got the 14 Ford F-150 rebuild sitting right there. Got our body guy who knows a lot more than we do coming here pretty shortly today or tomorrow to take a look at it and see if we can pull the frame or if we need to weld in a new cross member there. If you didn't see the first video of that, link will be up top, somewhere up there to that video right now. In the garage here before we get on the road, we still got the Whistling diesel truck sitting. We have actually not, since my last video, I've done absolutely nothing with it. One of the things we should do is just see what comparison-wise, where did the tape measure go?
When did the tire go flat?
Yeah, well, it's been flat. You know what we should get for it? We should get some new tires.
That's not a bad idea.
Yeah, we should get some new tires.
Flat, like...
Maybe we should go pick up some new tires right now, or slightly used tires.
We could go pick up some tires, but I'm just curious, when did this go flat?
It's been flat for a couple days. So, all right, found a tape measure. Current tires on here right now are not even 31s. We're at like, they were probably 30-inch tires, something like that when they were new. They're pretty worn down. So, we're going to try to fix that a little bit. All right, should have some new rubber coming up here. What's going on, man? Yeah, he's donating these tires. We actually haven't talked about that. They're definitely on Facebook Marketplace and with a price on them. But I mean, I'm sure he'll donate them now. You know, for all this exposure. So, you want to tell everybody what your channel name and everything is?
It is now the Derelict, just Derelict. Actually, I don't know why I said that, but yeah, just random videos on my truck, installs, mods, exploration, everything in that kind of way is what you'll see on my channel.
Yeah, well, his name's up on the channel right now. It'll also be linked down below. You want to tell him just a little bit about your truck?
So this is my 2013 Chevrolet Silverado. It's color matched in the front. Got a body lift, suspension lift. Had it for about 4 or 5 years now, and I've just slowly added more parts and took it off-road and stuff. And it's still here, it still works, which is great, and that's what matters. Every few months I try to add more and more and more to it, or whenever I can get the chance to have time to do more installs.
You break anything significant on it yet?
The only thing that I've broke in particular would be ball joints, but other than that, it's actually been really solid and reliable, which is awesome. Nice,
man. Yeah, well, we're gonna make a deal on these tires over here, load them up in the old Traverse there, and start heading back.
I totally forgot. I actually did, it was really icy outside. The whole front end got like smashed in.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I actually forgot about that.
So my last video where I ragged on Fords, because we just bought that one, there's literally one over there that doesn't start. I would assume that's that's cam phasers. Yep, absolutely. Those oil passages, they are clogged up on the old Ford over there.
5.4 liter with cam phasers, man.
Yeah, no, it can't be that.
I'll push the button.
Yeah, there we go.
That's manly.
Quick pit stop on our way up here to pick up a new CV axle. That is going to be for the box down that I showed at the beginning here, back at the house. And now for the box that we have hidden around the corner so it didn't get rained on. I'm going to move it inside though because it is still windy as can be. I would love to close this garage door. It's freezing. We got her inside. The moment you've been waiting for. Let's pop this bad boy open and then we can talk a little bit more about it. Got some stickers, business cards, all the fun stuff that you need right there. boy. Christmas morning. Oh, there she is, buddy. So there she is, our new front diff from our friends, like I said, at KODIAK Truck. Right there's their information. They do an awesome job. Huge shout out to my buddy Truckmaster. I'm sure you guys have seen his channel. He's actually kind of the one who orchestrated getting hooked up with this. So this is our new front diff. Hopefully we won't have some of the same axle braking issues now. The other diff, we obviously had a bent output shaft, the tabs were all broken off, and it was slid way over. So this is going to be a major upgrade for us here. And yeah, here's our old one. So yeah, this is a mounting point here that's broken off. This shaft on this side is bent. I don't know if you'll be able to see it here, just spinning slow, but it's bent up. This thing's trashed. So we needed a new one, and KODIAK really hooked us up. So super excited about that. I think that might actually be the next video, is probably putting that back in here, because we want to test four-wheel drive and make sure that we got that working before we, you know, reassemble the truck. And there, once again, is the business card for KODIAK. I'll have their link down below, but they are a great company to deal with. The turnaround time was actually very quick for the differential there. I think they shipped it out on, oh, I don't know, like Tuesday, Wednesday, something like that. And it was here on Thursday from, where are they from? I think Wisconsin. Yeah, from Wisconsin. So really great service. The only reason we didn't get a rear differential, because we need one of those too, it's cooked in from the burnouts, like the clutches or whatever inside are all, it's all basically welded together. So the only reason we didn't get a rear diff is because we have a good one from the Duramax truck. So someday if that one goes out, we'll probably reach out to KODIAK again and get something a little better. But right now we're going to stick with a stock one for that. And don't forget, we got our new CV axle in here too. We may do some upgraded ones sometime in the future, but since it's breaking them, or was, we're going to put the new diff in, see if we can get that in there in the right position so that it doesn't break diffs or break axles anymore. All right, so I know this wasn't the most action-packed video or anything like that, and I apologize about that, but we did pick up some new fun stuff that's definitely going to help us out. So we got it sitting in the garage. We got new interior, tires, axle, front diff. We're going to pull the rear diff off of the Duramax probably in the next video as well, probably when we install the front diff as well, or whenever that video comes out. Don't hold me to it. But one of the things I want to talk about, and I know I've been talking too much in this vlog, but our goal for the truck, and that's kind of why we're getting cheaper tires. Oh, we have wheels on order too. Wheels are coming, so stay tuned for that. Like, we could have gotten a $2,000 set of tires. Instead, we got ones off Facebook Marketplace that don't have full tread. I know some of you are going to be upset about that. That's okay. We will get new tires down the road, but we are sticking to a budget on this truck, and that is the entire rebuild. We are trying to get done start to finish, including the buying of the truck, which was $3,000. We're trying to be all in and done back to what it was before, or maybe even a little better, for $10,000. That is our number goal. So if you see us cutting a few shortcuts or using used parts like the interior, we didn't go get a brand new interior. That's why we're not restitching the Regency interior out of the truck, and because it's just not that nice anyways, like I showed you, but nobody believes me. But that's where we're going to try to stay. We're going to try to stick under $10,000. If we go over a little bit, that's fine. But we want to have a really nice truck on a 6-inch lift with, you know, we'll get it tuned again too. So we're probably well over that 1,000 pound-feet of torque and 500 horsepower. That's kind of what our goal is. So all of that for $10,000 and show you that it can be done. Now, it's a lot of elbow grease. It's not worth it with the amount of time we're investing, but YouTube revenue and other stuff makes it worth it. So that's what we're doing. So I hope you guys enjoy that. Stay tuned. We got a lot more to come. We're going to be actually doing some real work in the upcoming videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, share. Have a great day.